Hey guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing again a video that's so different to what I would usually do. I am going to go through and taste the Bondi protein powder. I don't know how to say that. I have been looking for something not really as a meal replacement. I don't really like that. If I need to quickly run out the door or something like that and I need to grab something, I do find protein powders to be quite convenient. So I have read a lot of amazing reviews on this company. So this is what they look like. They do come in, they actually come in big tubs. But I like that you can actually buy these sachets to obviously try it and make sure that you like it. So this is from Chemist Warehouse and the servings are $2 each, or the 1 litre tubs I think are $39. So it's not overall too expensive, which I do like as well. So I was looking on YouTube to obviously find reviews on the different flavours and couldn't find any. So I was like, I need to make this. I mean, if I can help at least one person, then I'm happy with that. They do come in 4 flavors, so vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and a coconut one. I don't really like coconut that much, so I didn't even bother wanting to try that. So basically it just says to empty the entire thing into 200 mils of cold water into a shaker, and then that's it. I have my shaker here with ice in it, but I've doubled the water amount. I don't know. I just find that 200 is probably not enough. So obviously this isn't going to be filmed just today. So today I just thought I want to try the strawberry one. Feeling like that. Oh my god. It smells like strawberry lollies. Wow, it is so sweet. I love, you know, sweet. Absolutely love it, but this is a little bit scary sweet, to be honest. Oh, I can't get over it. There's no sugar in these, I don't think. Oh no, there is. Yeah, there's definitely sugar in that. That's right. Okay, so shake it. I can't get over the smell. I always love ice in like protein as well. I'm obsessed with it. If you haven't tried it, definitely try it. It smells like a cross between strawberry milk, like really strong strawberry milk, and strawberry lollies added to it with like 3 teaspoons of sugar. Okay. Wow. Oh my god, it is so weirdly sweet. This was double the water amount as well, so 400 mils instead of 200. If this was even more concentrated, even I couldn't drink that. So the flavor is amazing. If you like strawberry, the flavor, like that fake strawberry, you'll love this. So yeah, when I try the chocolate and the vanilla one, I will definitely check in with you and let you know how these go. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the second tasting. So yes, I am the same person, I just have zero makeup on. So today I am trying the chocolate flavor. As you would have seen, strawberry was very sickly sweet. So let's see what this one is like. Okay, so smell-wise, it smells like that Cadbury drinking chocolate. This time I've got 500 mils of water in the shaker with basically a tray of ice. So it's all in. That just went on me. Shake it. Oh, it smells so good. It doesn't smell sickly sweet like the strawberry one. It just smells really good. So here we go. Wow. So putting 500 mils of water in has really made it have like a bit of a watery aftertaste. It is quite nice, but I would probably recommend doing 400 mils. I still can't believe that they recommend 200 mils of water. I don't know, to me that just seems a bit weird, but you can go by their recommendations. It is completely up to you, but this one is very nice. To be honest, I think I do prefer this over the strawberry one. They do have this weird sweet aftertaste which sort of sticks on your tongue as well. It's really hard to describe. I've never had something like this before. But yeah, again, it's still sweet, just not overly sweet because I did add the extra water. So I have one more to try, which is the vanilla one. So whenever I do try that, of course, I will check in with you guys, give you my review,